We added these solar lights by our back sliding door, and they have been one of the best upgrades we have made. Our house was built in the early 1900s, so getting new wiring run would have been expensive and complicated. These solved that instantly because we could install them ourselves with no electrician needed. They were sent over for us to try, and the separate adjustable panel is what makes them so useful. We could angle the panel to get the best sun, and we could extend it so that it could be hidden and not as noticeable. The fact that the battery is replaceable means we are not stuck buying a whole new light down the road. The aluminum build and glass shade feel solid and have held up great in the New England weather. We love the motion sensors too. Now when we step out at night, the light comes on automatically without blasting the whole yard with a big spotlight. The glow is warm, clear, and perfect for porches. If you have dark areas around your home and want a true DIY solution, this has been a perfect addition for us, and we highly recommend it for you also.